Hey up, how we doing? Another product from Lidl. This one here is the new version. Just got it today. They were both the same price of £12.99. I think I've had this about 6 months ago, but I needed another one because how good it is and what I use it for on my bicycle and just general maintenance. But as you can see, you are missing a lot of stuff between the old and the new. Even the container has got a metal connector, while the other one is a cheap plastic. Not very happy about that. I still got it. It's got nearly all the tools I need for just general bike maintenance. Just says I can keep this one in the van and this one near my bike stand. I wish I'd rather it gone up in price, to be honest. £15 for the exactly same as this one than £12.99 from both sides. I don't know if it is discontinued. I hope they haven't discontinued, but looking at the sets, even the top, because they call this more the socket set, and looking at the top one, that goes up to a 14 and that one only goes up to a 13 as well, so that's a bit disappointing. Majority of stuff finishes at 13. You have the flexi bit. Only thing what I can see what is a little bit better is this bar, where it has a connection on the end and you can put a drive in, so that's your class as an extension. What does away with that, so that's a little good idea, but it doesn't compensate from the rest, does it? Still, for the price, very good. £13, you can't go wrong. It's slightly different, but not a lot. But look at all the different torque keys, screwdrivers, Allen keys. Comparison to these, I don't know if they'll have the range. It's sometimes handy having these smaller ones, especially for bicycle. So in all the whole, not very good, Lidl, sorry. Keep this one and put the price up a bit. It's very good value for money, £12.99. Very good price for the money, but I would have rather paid a little bit more for this. So that's the difference between old and new. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.